Today there is this Gaku whiskey from Yamanashi, Japan. It has a pretty difficult to hold cylindrical shaped bottle, and it's fairly cheap, of course, the $10 per bottle. It's 40%, has subtle and pleasant Japanese scenery landscape. There is this little dots on the surface. There's not much information on the back. Actually, I didn't find any information about its website and its content and so on. There hasn't been many reviews, I think, or actually none I could find. Anyway, it has fairly brown color. The cap, again, not very properly removed. Okay. Color is slightly, of course, when you pour into the glass, the color becomes lighter. Oh, interesting. They are like, I was expecting like the very fruity smell, but the alcohol smell is pretty strong. I think it's very young, but the caramel, some peaty, the leather rubber, kind of like the more like bitter like tastes are dominant from the nosing. Let me try taste. To be honest, it's pretty sharp alcohol smell. Well, the alcohol taste is kind of strong, but still it's more like blended scotch, and to be honest, it's more similar to blended scotch whiskies. Now, of course, in Japan they don't note whether it is blended scotch on whiskies, but I would say maybe the first cheap Japanese whiskey, I would say, similar to blended scotch in terms of nosing and maybe the taste, but the taste not very traceable in my opinion. Well, and I will just add a few drops of water, a few drops only, and well, it's not very extraordinary. Maybe it's better for highballs. It is cheap, and it's not my personal preference to regularly drink, of course, but maybe it's cheap and it's fitting as a Japanese whiskey to highballs and some cocktails. Yeah. Thank you for watching.